The Honeywell 12,000 BTU Ductless Mini Split System Air Conditioner offers extreme versatility, handling heating, cooling, and dehumidifying assignments for rooms between 300 and 500 square feet. This multi-season air conditioner is capable of providing comforting heat in the winter, a steady stream of cool and refreshing air in the summer, the circulation of the surrounding air with a built-in fan, and can remove excess moisture with the dehumidifier. The ductless design is equipped with a self-cleaning option, requiring minimal upkeep. There are 4 modes to choose from, including Timer Mode, which lets you set a program schedule for your unit, Sense Mode, which automatically adjusts to the surrounding temperature around the unit's remote control, Comfort Mode, which will automatically increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour, and after 5 hours, it'll drop 1 degree Celsius every hour. And lastly is Eco Mode, which is the energy-saving mode designed to minimize electricity consumption. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.